In the heart of southern Europe, a powerful force is quietly rising in the skies. Spain, a NATO ally and strategic partner, has transformed its air force with cutting-edge fighter jets, upgraded missile systems, and combat-ready drones by 2026. Once known more for its historic fleet and regional defense strategy, Spain has stepped onto the modern battlefield with a sharp focus on precision warfare, stealth integration, and AI-enhanced aerial dominance. This is the story of how the Spanish Air Force, or Ejército del Aire y del Espacio, became one of the most advanced air combat forces in Europe and what its fighter jets and missiles reveal about the future of Western air power. Spain's air fleet in 2026 is centered around the Eurofighter Typhoon, a multi-role 4.5-generation fighter aircraft that has undergone major upgrades in stealth, speed, and sensor integration. Sleek and powerful. The Spanish Typhoons are painted in digital camouflage with red-yellow tail flashes and national insignia. Each jet is outfitted with AESA radar, laser-guided targeting pods, and stealthier profiles thanks to radar-absorbing coatings and reduced reflection canopies. With an emphasis on high agility and long-range missile capability, the Typhoons serve as both defenders of Spanish airspace and forward operating strike platforms in NATO missions. Alongside the Typhoons, Spain also contributes to the Future Combat Air System, FCAS, project, a next-generation stealth fighter initiative with France and Germany. Though still in its early development, Spain's role in FCAS by 2026 has grown, with advanced drone prototypes and stealth wingman programs entering test stages. On Spanish soil, this future is already taking shape, where simulation labs, AI-controlled combat drones, and digital twin training platforms define a modern air force shaped for tomorrow. Inside the cockpit of Spain's Eurofighter Typhoons, 2026 brings a new world of combat control. The cockpit is now fully digitized, offering high-resolution wide-area multifunction displays, voice command interfaces, and full battlefield connectivity. Pilots wear advanced helmets with real-time HUD overlays that project missile locks, terrain data, and threat warnings directly into their vision. The aircraft's data links allow for direct communication with NATO command centers, friendly drones, and even allied ships at sea. Spain's integrated command structure means that every aircraft in the air is part of a broader web controlled, supported, and informed by satellite intelligence, airborne early warning systems, and joint drone operations. Training simulators mirror the cockpit interface exactly, allowing new pilots to transition from virtual to real-world combat in days rather than months. The human-machine teaming capability, being tested in collaboration with FCAS, allows Spanish pilots to command multiple drones from a single cockpit, creating coordinated strikes with minimal risk to human life. Spain's